Hey everybody, Debbi Starr here. Wanted to hop in today and show you a fun little hack that will really kind of up level your landing page or your funnel page. And it's all about adding confetti to have the little confetti sprinkle down. So I am, let me just move my little head here and I'll show you. Hopefully this will work. I'm just on a simple little landing page. I'm advertising a workshop, a live workshop, a little plug. If you want some help creating your awesome offer that's going to bring people into your world, you need to join me in this workshop. But anyway, so here's the page, pretty straightforward. All right. So I'm going to refresh this page. Hopefully I won't lose you, and pay attention to what's going to happen. So do you see all of that cute little confetti that's just coming down? How fun is that? Well, one of my members inside of my Digital Business Academy shared this site with me, and it is so easy and so much fun. I just wanted to share it with you. Now, I'm not affiliated with this site. I'm not getting any brownie points or anything like that, but follow along and let me show you how easy it is. And I'll put the links in the comments below. But basically, it is a website called confettipage.com. Okay. And you just go in there. Let me see which page. I've created a couple, but basically and you can create one even without creating an account. You've set it up and then they email you the link and all of that kind of stuff. So you basically just say, I want to create some confetti, and you put in the URL. The main thing it's looking for is what is the website or the URL that you want to add it to. So I'm just going to put starconsulting.net. And then you choose your colors. So I've just put my branding colors here. And do you see the little confetti? It's just showing me. And I don't think there's a limit to the colors that you can have. Okay. And then, I can go through, put my colors in. And then the next button is just to choose the animation. All different types of confetti, rain, fireworks, pop. I mean, how fun is this? It's just nice to have something different here. And then we can say if we want a lot of fireworks or just a few of the confetti, however you want. And then you go to density, how much, the size, just play around with that. And it's kind of nice up here too. It just says surprise me. So if you want the system just to set up something, and then we just publish it, and it's free. And it will just put a little tag at the bottom showing where it's from, or a lifetime code for only 39 bucks. Lifetime code. You could put it on all of your websites if you wanted. How cool is that? So once you click here to get the code, it will prompt you for your email, and then it will send you the link. Once you have that link, you'll come back and you will just open up the code here. And it will just tell you that this particular code is written just for this website. You just have to check these boxes. You understand that once you put it on that website, you can't edit it. Now you can delete it, go back, create a new one, and all that kind of stuff, but you just can't edit the code. And I'll show you where the code is in just a minute. And then you just understand that they're going to put their little name stamp on it. And again, you can always just update it. So how does that look in real life? Most of you know that I use Go High Level, my absolute favorite all-in-one marketing program. So let me just hop over here. So I am inside of a funnel page, and all you have to do, I'm going to, let me go to this page here. I'm going to edit the page. So easy. We are going to come up here to the very top left where it says add an element. Let me put my head way down here. And what we're looking for is we want the code, the custom codes. I'm going to click and just drag this. I don't think it matters where you put it on the page. Wherever it's at, it will automatically take effect. So now you've got this little custom code box and I've got it selected. So now over here on the right, we open the code editor and I just paste in that code that I copied. Oh, it's copying the wrong one here. Anyway, back over here on this confetti page here, once I click all these buttons, I'll get the code, okay? It's that simple, you just paste it in. In fact, let me just go back out and I'll show you the one where I've already added it so you can see. Again, you don't have to know code or anything. The system will just do it for you automatically and you just plug it in. So let me just come back here. So so now I'm on the real page that I had it, the custom HTML JavaScript. When you open the code editor, if you're not a programmer, it looks like gobbledygook. Don't worry about it. Just paste that code in and save it. And then in real life, I'm going to come back here and let me just refresh this page again. And once again, there's my fireworks. How fun is that? So just a quick little fun thing for you to do. I just wanted to share it with you. I'll put the link down below. Again, I'm not associated with it. And hey, and by the way, if you are interested in really getting your offer off the ground, get people coming into you, sign up for this workshop. It's only $50 and we spend about 90 minutes together and I really help you dig into figuring out what your premium offer should be. The one component your offer must have, simple system to take your content and create your lead gen and sales material. It's an awesome workshop. People love it when they take it. So I'll have the link for this down below also. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.